Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. Let's start our trial for today. We have until now completed lots of concepts about lines and angles, and also we have seen a video on lines and angles where questions from Olympiad had been solved. Now let's do some more questions from Olympiad for lines and angles, and I will be attaching the video, all the previous videos, the links of which I'll attach in the description of this particular video, since I plan to make this video to be the last in the series for lines and angles class 7 for now. But if you want more such videos, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll make more videos with more questions from lines and angles. And if you're watching my videos and liking them, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. So let's start.
Now let's do question number 48. In the given figure not drawn to scale, if AB is parallel to CG is parallel to EF, then find 2z minus x and x plus 2y. Now where are these two x, y and z? X is here, this angle. Y is here down below and z is here. Now let's extend this parallel lines. There are three set of parallel lines, three parallel lines. We'll extend on this side as well. So this EF is parallel to CG and this is again parallel to AB. So if you see, this is a transversal, this BE line is a transversal. Now here if this is 80 degree, just try to form a Z like this. Can you see the Z that I am forming? Using this Z, can you not see that this 80 degree here is also here 80 degree, because these two are alternate interior angles. So if these two are alternate interior angles, means 20 plus Z, and angle AB is parallel to angle not angle but line AB is parallel to line EF. That means 20 plus Z will be equal to 80 degree. Since they are alternate interior angles, so Z will be equal to 80 minus 20, which is 60 degrees. So I found the value of Z. Now see here, if this is 80 and then the x will be also 80. Why? Because you see form a F like this. Okay, I'll erase all these lines and again show you the F. This line here, you just extend it down like this and towards the right, then again you see here. Now this is an F. In F we we are able to find a corresponding pair of corresponding angles. 80 degree here and x are same corresponding angles. So since CG line is parallel to AB, these two will be equal. So x will be equal to 80 degree. Good enough. Now this x is vertically opposite to this angle here, right? Because these two lines are intersecting at point D. So this is also x, which means this is also equal to 80 degree. So 40 plus 80 is 120. If I subtract, this is a triangle here formed. You can see a triangle here formed. So 180 minus 40 plus 80. How much it will be? That will be the value of y. Y will be equal to 180 minus 40 plus 80. Alternatively, you can see this 40 plus 80 and this y are co-interior angles. How? Please have a careful look here. This line AB is parallel to this line CG here, and this is acting like a transversal, right? There are two methods to find angle Y. So this 80 plus 40 together is 120, and this Y are lying inside, so they are co-interior angles, which means since these two lines are parallel, they are supplementary. That means 120 plus Y equal to 180 degree. So I can subtract 180 minus 120, I'll get 60 degree. Alternatively, you can see that there is a triangle here formed BDG. In BDG, Y will be equal to 180 minus these two, sum of these two angles, which is again 120. So Y is 60. So very easy to find 2Z minus X. 2Z, Z value is 60. So okay, let me write down X, Y, Z value. X is equal to, we found 80 using corresponding angle theory. Y equal to 60 using co-interior angle theory. Z is equal to, yes, Z is equal to 60 again using alternate interior angles theory, right? So now 2z minus x, if I try to find out, that will be 2 into 60, which is 120. 120 minus x, x is how much? 80. So 2z minus x is 40 degree. Similarly, x plus 2y. X plus 2y will be how much? X is how much? 80. 80 plus 2y is 120, because 60 into 2, that is 120. So 80 plus 120 is 200 degrees. So we found two values. 2z minus x is 40 degree and x plus 2y is 200 degree. Alright, this question is fairly simple. Some may find it a little difficult because there are three lines which are parallel to each other, but keep doing this kind of questions, things will slowly appear easy to you. So this is one more Olympiad question. ACD is a straight line where AC is equal to CB. So this is equal to this line. I mean AC is equal to CB. So this triangle that you see, ABC triangle, it is an isosceles triangle. So these two angles will be definitely equal to each other. Now we will use it. How? Let's see. And BF is parallel to DE. So BF, this line is parallel to this line DE. So we'll extend both the parallel lines a little bit. Wherever required, we will extend. So I'll just extend here. That much is, I think, will be fine. Let's see how it goes. So find angle BAE. So angle BAE we need to find out. We need to find out this entire big angle. Okay, this is the question that we need to solve. So if this angle here, angle C is 106, then both angle A and angle B are equal. Why? Because this, it's an isosceles triangle since AC is equal to CB. So both will be how much? 180 minus 106 will be the sum of angle A and angle B, right? So I find first the difference and divide it by 2. Since both the angles are equal, sum of them is like both of them are same. So divided by 2 will give me the value of each of them. So they are of same measure. So what is 180 minus 106? That will be 74 divided by 2, that is 37 degree. So we got this angle here. This angle we have found. This angle is 37 degree. Now what is left is this side. So let's see how to find this side. Now here if you see angle C is corresponding to angle D here. Why? Because these two lines BF and DE are parallel to each other. So if this is 106, this is also 106. No doubt about it. Angle D and angle C make a pair of corresponding angles. So angle D is equal to now 106. So what about this angle here? This angle will be that is supplementary angle. So 180 minus 106 will give me angle ADE. So let's find out angle ADE, that is 180 minus 106. So it will be 74 degrees. So here it is 74 degrees. Now if you see in this triangle ADE, I am talking about triangle ADE, we can find this angle here, this particular angle here. Angle name is DAE. Angle DAE will be how much? Okay, I'll just erase this. There's no need of equal to here. What we need is a comma. Is equal to 180 minus 180 degree. The sum of all the triangles in a sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180. So 180 minus 74 plus 59 will give me the angle DAE. So let's do that. 74 plus 59. So 74 plus 59 is 9 plus 4 is 13. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 133. So 180 minus 133 is how much? That is, let me write here. That will be 10 minus 3 is 7 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is 47 degree. So now I have found this angle here also. This angle here also. This is also I have found. This is also 47 degrees. So I need to find out the sum of 37 and 47, which is 14. 1 gets carried over. So it is 84 degrees, which is option B. Alright, I hope I'm clear with this. If not, please let me know in the comment section. Now this is the last question, Olympiad question for lines and angles. Find the value of z minus x. This is the bit 1. So if you see here, the lines AD and CF are forming a 40 degree here. What is the angle opposite to this 40 degree? This X. So X will be equal to also 40 degree. Why? Because X and 40 degree both are, I mean this angle C, there is no in between. So this angle here, this is 40 degree. So they are vertically opposite angles. So that therefore X and 40 both are of same measure. So now if you see X 65 and Y are forming a 180 degree, they are forming a straight angle. So from that I can find out the value of Y. Y will be equal to 180 minus 65 plus X. What is the value of X? 40 degrees. So I put it here. So 180 minus 105 is how much? This is 75 degree. So that is the value of Y. So I got the value of Y. This is 75 degree. I'll write it down here. X is 40 degree. Now if you look carefully, angle BE and angle CF are making same angles Y and Z vertically opposite to each other. So they will be also same in measure owing to vertically opposite angles. So Z also will be equal to Y, and therefore it will be equal to 75 degree owing to the fact that they are vertically opposite angles. So also I found 75 degree to be the value of Z. Now if you see, I need to find out Z minus X. So Z minus X will be 75 minus 40. Z minus X is 75 minus 40, which is definitely equal to 35 degree. Now if you look at the option A and B both have 35 degree for one but different answer for bit 2 question. So let's also find out bit 2. Find the value of A plus 2B. Now if you see here, this line TR is forming two angles. I mean there are two angles lying on it. So 2A plus 80 they are a pair of supplementary angles. So they will form together 180 degree. From here I can directly get 2A value. 2A value will be, okay, 180 minus 80, which is 100, right? So A's value is equal to 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So we got the value of A. So I'll write it down here, 50 here, and 2A value is 100 degree. Now it is very easy to find B. 50 plus 90 plus B together are lying on a straight line. So they form a straight angle. So B will be equal to how much? 180 minus the total sum of 90 plus 50. 50 is what? 50 is the value of angle A. So 180 minus 140 will be the value of B, which is 40 degree. So if you see, A plus 2B will be equal to 50 plus 2 into 40 degrees, right? So 50 plus 80, which is 130 degree. Now looking at the options, B is the correct answer because we got bit 135 and bit 2 as 130 degrees. So option B is the correct answer for this question. If you have any doubts anywhere or you want some more questions to be solved, please let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.